Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I'm also fine. So today we will learn a different topic altogether. Okay. So this is l'article defini, definite article. Actually, which means the in English, right? So l'article defini. Uh, I will teach you today that how to use the l'article défini, and it will be changed in French according to the gender. Okay. In English, we use the in front of the each and every subject. But in French, if it's a masculine singular number, then it will be a different article, and if it's a feminine singular number, then it will be already changed. So how to use that and how it will change in the when we actually use that l'article défini. So that actually I will teach you. Definite article, l'article défini. So masculine singular, low. The word is low. The meaning is the. Okay. Feminine singular, la. Masculine and feminine singular but started with vowel. The word in French which is starting with the vowel A, E, I, O, U and H, because in French there are 6 vowels actually as per the pronunciation, because H, there is no sound of H in French, so that is why H also used as a vowel. So masculine or feminine singular word which is starting with vowel, in front of that word we will use L apostrophe as l'article défini. The meaning also the same in English, the. And masculine and feminine, masculine, or I'm so sorry, that will be feminine. Masculine and feminine plural form, so it will be les, les. That also means the. So for masculine singular number it will be low, masculine feminine singular it will be la, masculine or feminine singular started with vowel it will be L apostrophe, and masculine and feminine plural number, plural word, and it will be les, le, la, L apostrophe, les. So how we actually use when we actually build up a sentence. So that is the example I'm just giving you. The boy, le garçon. The girl, la fillette. The man, l'homme, L apostrophe, homme. The houses, les maisons. The flowers, les fleurs. Okay. So the boy, third person masculine singular number, so it will be le garçon. The girl, this is also third person singular but feminine, so la. The article will be la fillette. The man, L apostrophe, because the man in French, this is homme, so homme is starting with H, it's a vowel, so we will use L apostrophe in front of the l'homme. Okay, understand? And the houses, les maisons, that will be les, whatever it is, like it can be masculine, it can be feminine, whatever it is, so the plural will be les. And the flowers, les fleurs. Okay, understand? So masculine singular lo, feminine singular la, masculine and feminine singular started with vowel L apostrophe, and masculine and feminine plural will be les. So that's all for today. See you soon in my next video. So till then, tata, goodbye.